Got an app idea, but don't know where to start with Emobic AI? Here's the guide to make it simple. Find the real problem, plan it out, and bring your app to life. Imagine your perfect user. What's their day like? What are they aiming for? Jot down a quick snapshot. Once you have them in mind, ask yourself, what does your app help people do? What kind of problems does it solve? Why would someone choose this app over another tool? Here's the prompt. I'm building an app that helps type of person do key action by how it makes it easier, faster, better. And here's an example. I'm building a full-stack enterprise warehouse management application with a mobile-first user interface for real-time inventory tracking. The app needs to connect to an external ERP system via a REST API to retrieve and update data. Next, identify the must-have features. What should your app do without fail? What are the essential interactions your users will perform? What happens if those things aren't there? Example, allows users to create, save, and edit daily warehouse records, keeping track of incoming and outgoing stock with ease. Each record can be tagged by category, such as electronics, perishables, or bulk items. Users can filter or search their records by date, keyword, or category, making it simple to trace inventory movements and identify trends over time. The app must have the following features: secure login, authentication for warehouse staff, real-time dashboard, displays inventory levels, pending shipments, and inbound deliveries, inbound operations, receive and stock items via barcode scan, auto-update ERP, outbound operations, pick, pack, and ship orders, scans, update ERP in real time, inventory management, cycle counts and audits with scan-based reconciliation, search and lookup, find products, locations, and stock levels, barcode scanning, use device camera for barcodes and QR codes. Envision the look and feel. Think about what kind of vibe should your app give off? Calm, energetic, minimal? How should users feel when they open it? Do certain colors or layouts already come to mind? Example, the app should feature a clean, minimal, business-ready interface designed to be intuitive and easy for warehouse staff to use with minimal training. Prioritize a fast, responsive interface and robust error handling to prevent data inaccuracies. Light or dark mode. Toggle supports extended use across shifts. Make sure to consider any special requirements or limitations that could affect your app's design and functionality. Example, ability to export inventory records to PDF or plain text for easy sharing. Add a notes section or customizable tags for special handling instructions, and able to update to ERP system. Keep the system streamlined. No complex analytics or dashboards, focusing on simple and clear inventory tracking. This guide isn't about boxing you in. It's here to help you share your app idea clearly and compellingly. Start with the person behind the problem and let Emobic AI handle the rest. Orange Cloud. Now everyone can build apps.